power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2022 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited High Altitude 4xe in Stingray. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, adaptive cruise control with stop, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 43,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, select track full-time four-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, Sky One Touch power top, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D7760.